ஹலோ நண்பா, நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் இந்த வீக்கான கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்கள் நம்ம சேனல் புதுசாக இருந்தால் மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிவிடுங்க. ஸோ 21st November, recently with whom has SIDBI partnered to help MSMEs group with Google? Which country has recently joined International Solar Alliance? United States of America. Where has BRO built the world's highest motorable road? At Ladakh. Expansion of ESOP, employee stock option. Who has recently inaugurated the model village SUI in Haryana? Ramnath Govind. Extra question from sports. Who will host the 14th edition of ICC Under-19 Men's World Cup? West Indies. 22nd November. Where has PM Modi recently laid the foundation stone of Ultra Mega Solar Park? At Jhansi. Which country has successfully launched 3 new remote sensing satellites? China. Who has been appointed as the Director General of NCB? SN Pradhan. Who has recently released the book Srimadharamayanam? M. Venkaiah Naidu. Where has first anti-air pollution tower of Uttar Pradesh been inaugurated? At Noida. Extra question from economy. Expansion of LPG, liberalization, privatization and globalization. 23 November. Which country has successfully test-fired anti-satellite mission DSAT? Russia. Who has inaugurated the world's most sophisticated MRI technology? Dr. Jitendra Singh. Recently, IDFC Bank has partnered with whom for fuel payment using HPCL? Who has written the first novel Lal Salam Ek novel recently? Smriti Irani. Recently, the Chief Minister of which state has launched Child Policy 2021 for Children? MK Stalin of Tamil Nadu. Extra question from economy. Expansion of ESOS, employee stock purchase. 24th November. Which ministry has launched an integrated mobile app for Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav? Ministry of Culture. Where is World Expo 2021 being organized recently? At Dubai. Which country has launched a mobile app to improve and track West Coast collection? Kerala. Recently, who has been honored with Lifetime Achievement Award in IFFI? Izani Sabao. Who has been launched AI-powered voice trading Paytm Money? Extra question from GK. Recently, the Chief Minister of which state has inaugurated the Indian National League? Karnataka. 25th November. Who has been awarded as the permanent CEO of ICC recently? Geoff Allardyce. Which organization has been awarded the Indira Gandhi Peace Prize 2021? Pratham. Who inaugurated the National Workshop on Child Rights? Smriti Irani. Who has recently won 2021 National Book Award for Fiction? Jason Motte. Recently, M.N. Bandari has taken over as acting Chief Justice of which court? Madras High Court. Extra question from GK. Who has won the Indonesia Masters Badminton Tournament? Kento Momento. 26th November. Which state government has announced to repeal the 3 capital law? Andhra Pradesh. Who has launched to start Bharat Gaurav trains? Ashwini Vaishnav. Which country has announced to build the world's first Bitcoin city? El Salvador. Who has written the book India as UK, the story of an unprecedented diplomatic win? Syed Akbaruddin. Which state's Patalpani railway station has been renamed? Madhya Pradesh. Extra question from GK. Where has All India Postal Wrestling Championship started? At New Delhi. 27th November. Which bank has launched online platform Trade Emerge? ICICI Bank. Which state cabinet has approved the new sports policy? Uttarakhand. Recently, the Chief Minister of which state has approved the electronics policy of 2021? State of Odisha. Who has launched the Tejashwini and Hausla scheme of Jammu and Kashmir Bank? Nirmala Sitharaman. Where has the first international conference on hydrogen energy been inaugurated? At New Delhi. Extra question from GK. Who has won the best actor title in released International Emmy Awards 2021? David Tennant. ஸோ இந்த வீக்கான கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் அவ்வளோதான் நண்பா. இந்த வீடியோ யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தால் உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் நம்ம ஃபீனிக்ஸ் சிபிஎஸ்சி சேனலில் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.